Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We're having fun with a song from Shaboozey, a new one, Born to Die. Before we go into that song, I just want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel where you can learn guitar as well. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. You can learn songs from way back all the way to recent time, and the good thing is you can play along from A to Z, from start to the very end, and just follow along with the chords and learn a song. So go and check out my secondary YouTube channel, Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Now, Born to Die. How are we going to handle this? With a capo on second, absolute best scenario in my opinion. With that 4 chords that just rolls in the same way through the entire song. Either you go with the melody, strumming, or a mix. It's up to you. Now, let's learn the chords first. We're going to start with the E minor 7, and that is very simple. You can incorporate all strings here. They're open except from that 2nd fret A string. All other strings open. That's the first E minor 7. Next is the G6, because we don't focus on the higher strings down here too much in the song. So we have the bass, and that is 3rd E, 2nd A, and then you have open strings down there. Open D, G, B, and E. Next chord is the D add 4. And you're going to play 5th A, 4th D, open G, and 3rd B. And the exact same grip as that D add 4, you translate to this position, okay? That's the C. You're going to play 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And that's the order of the chords through the entire song: E minor, G6, D add, and C. Now, let's go into the melody first. You're going to play like this for E minor. So that is open E string in the bass, then open G, open D, and 2nd A. Then you go to the G6. You just add on that 3rd fret E string from E minor. So you have them both there, and you're going to play. Same pattern. You're going to play now 3rd fret E string in the bass, open G, open D, and 2nd A. Then you go to the D add and play. Now you don't have to have that 3rd fret B string. You don't need that for this melody, but later for the strumming. So from this melody you need to play 5th A, open G, 4th D, and back to 5th A. And then we have 2 versions of C. We have the one that starts the song in the intro, also play later on in the song, but not too much. And it goes like this. And that is 3rd fret A string, then open D to 2nd D. So you pick that open D and you hammer on to get the 2nd D. You don't pick that 2nd D, you hammer on with that fretboard finger. I prefer my 2nd fret D string with my mid finger. So that's the hammer technique, and then you continue with open G, and then you pick the last 2nd fret D string. So that's the first version of C. The other one is played like this. The same pattern as the D add, but now this position. So that gives us 3rd fret A string, then open G, 2nd D, and back to 3rd A. Okay? So there you have the melody. Slowly it goes like this. Both versions of C demonstrated there. That is what's going on from the beginning to the very end. If you go with the melody. Now, strumming. Go back to this first chord, E minor 7. You're going to play like this. When you strum, stay away from that highest string down here, the B and E if you can. I would prefer to play in the mid bass area, okay? So you're going to play now down, down, up, down, up. One of these per chord, so and in tempo. Alright guys, have fun with this. That is how I handle Shaboozey's Born to Die. Hope that helped. And again, check out Gordon Guitar 6 strings ago, the other guitar channel that helps you to play a full song. Not only part of it, or you have to collect all the tools, what I teach you here, and then puzzle up to a full song. You just follow along and learn it. So, having this one, hope this helped, and till next time, play tuned.